Dalawa ang mother yung sticker. Nasa isa? Dalawa mong kamay yan. Wala na, wala na isang sticker. Okay. Nice. Okay, bestie. You can. Okay. Whoa. No, you have to put that thing in, not that one. The red one. Bestie is doing it. Oh, see, they're doing it.
I want to eat. Okay, Mom. Okay, I took.
Ang lamot.
Oh, yeah. Are you gonna feed them pizza? Pizza time. Betsy, Bestie, pizza time.
Pizza today.
How come, Bestie?
Good pizza.
We're going to sleep soon, Bestie. They're doing drum now, Bestie.
Dad, you should ask me to put.
We have to wait for Ate Dong, Bestie. You have all toys, Bestie.
Do what we do too?
Oh, I don't know what's in it. Ate Dong said there's a package.
I need wait a minute. I need chocolate. I need bubble.
Bestie, oh, look at your friends, Bestie. They're best friend.
Best friend na sila ni.
Best friend na sila. Are you done with that? Not yet. Bestie, why? Oh, I bought you those. Bestie, what's the name of your bestie? Ili? Eba? Bestie. Are you Ili or Eba?
Nasaan si
Eva.
Eva, okay.
Eva.
Si Ella? Nasaan si Ella?
Bestie, is that whose food is that, Bestie? Ili?
Eva.
Oh,
Not you.
not
Eva. 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 Your toy.
oo.
Pizza toy.
Huwag mong ikakalit, mamaya itapon ni daddy mo
Oo
yung
nga
mga yan
eh.
Saan mo naman,
Ang lasan na yung mga laruan niya ni.
mamaya unti-unti na naman matapon.
Mawala yan, oh.
Pag may nawala
Di
yan,
wa-
tapon na naman.
Jade, you wanna do the drum? Okay.
Naligo ka na, Jay.
So what you been doing?
Yung doon sa pinuntahan nyo, ang iitim. Ay, nako.
Eh, siyempre may mga pusa at aso dun.
Kung gusto nyo pumunta dun sa... Pili ka kayo doon na.
Oo. Bestie, you okay? Where you? You're done?